Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix my order on Little Caesars using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Little Caesar app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account at the bottom left of your screen, then tap on orders. Find the order that has a problem and tap on it to open the order details. Here is something important to know. Most Little Caesars orders cannot be deleted online once they are placed, especially if the store already started making the food. If you just place the order, your best option is to contact the store immediately. On the order details page, look for the store phone number, call the store as soon as possible and politely explain the issue. If the order is already made and something is wrong with the food, then explain the issue to the store or contact customer support. And that's it. That's how to fix a Little Caesar order using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.